Hi everyone, I'm Kavita. I'm at the Festival of India Mela in Fremont. This is the festival's 18th year. The health fair is going on right behind me, and as you can see, all types of medical services. Over there we have blood screenings and different types of screenings, and on this side we have different medical professionals represented here. And all types of screenings and professional services are represented under one roof at the FIA Festival of India. Hope you get to check it out.
I just want to check the brand.
Maybe she didn't tell you. Did you get your...
I'm meeting with Harpreet Dhillon. He's the chair of the Festival of India Health Fair. Hi Harpreet, welcome to SitaarreTv.
Hi, how are you doing?
Great. Can you tell me about the health fair?
Well, this is our annual health fair that we like to provide for the Indian community for all kinds of preventive services. As you can tell, we do cholesterol screening, blood pressure monitoring, and glucose screening, so as to identify people who have health problems and to alert them early before it becomes a bigger problem for them and they have no options. Right now, we can provide options. We can refer them to specialists and other healthcare services so that their healthcare checkup is in good order. And I'm particularly proud this year because we have a much open format. It's a carnival style. People are very energized and they're very interacting with the physicians and the healthcare volunteers. We have a carnival style atmosphere in the back where people can play to win prizes, answering simple questions about their health. And I'm really so thankful to all the healthcare volunteers that have helped this year, in addition to all the specialists that have turned out on a busy Saturday when they could be busy at home with their wives and their work and whatnot. And this is just such a good show of solidarity and unity among our community. And it's opportunities like this that we can really give back to the community. So I've been doing this now for 10 years, and this is the first year I'm the health fair chairman. And I look forward to participating every year because this is such a great venue to show people that we really care and how we can help them.
Harpreet, what are some of the challenges that you face putting on this type of health fair?
Well, there's a lot of logistical challenges, as I'm sure you can tell. We don't have a lot of time to set up, so everything that you've seen here today has been set up since 12 midnight. That's when the city allows us to come in here and set up our health fair. And so that's been a challenge. Some of the other challenges are getting the word out in the community. We don't have, with these days now, with the advent of internet and Facebook and Twitter, we've been able to get the message out in a much broader format. But it's still door-to-door type of, leaving brochures and flyers in the community centers and the grocery stores and the video stores to attract people to come here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Dr. Chopra, the festival has already started and it's off to a great start. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. As you see, for all the viewers of Sitaare out there, first of all, welcome again and welcome to the beginning of our 18th Festival of India and Parade, which is doing so wonderful. As you know, we started with a big bang. This year the health fair is probably one of the best health fairs we've had. We have a great team this time. Dr. Dhillon, Nidhi, the coordinators, and of course Kush Vepa. They've done a wonderful job with all of us, and I'm so pleased. And all the viewers out there, they're gonna have fun this year since it started so well. And besides this health fair, where of course everybody knows we've been checking free cholesterol, blood sugar, blood pressure, the bones, a lot of information going on, how to stay healthy, how to stay fit, so that you can all enjoy and cherish our festival. In this festival, as you know, the children are here, adults are here, elderly people are here, and they're all having fun. And this year we have 150 booths. There are going to be a lot of food booths, a lot of arts, crafts, jewelry, clothing. And as you know, Kavita, this is what we have been dreaming about. And our dream is coming true finally. This is the 18th year, but we're going to make it better and better every year. And that's why I want to ask all the viewers to come, be volunteers just like all these folks, so that they can all have fun and they can not only just do it for themselves, but do it for others. And that's the theme. And also enjoy our values, our traditions, our rich culture, the heritage, which we are so proud of. And we want to let them participate and then learn it. rather than learning from the books or schools or at home. There's only so much you can teach. So any other questions you have?
No, thank you so much.
Are you pleased with this?
I am.
All right,
And
wonderful.
it's so nice you put together a young team out here, and I know it's what you want. You want the youth to come out and support FIA, so it's wonderful. We want more people to come out next year to help and support FIA. This is a wonderful event. It's one of the best events of the entire year that we really look forward to. We do nothing else on this weekend. This is our FIA weekend.
Just come, enjoy it, cherish it. It's just very, very nostalgic. I think it's like Little India. We just try to create right here.
Nidhi, you're here at the health fair. Can you tell me about your booth and what you're doing here?
Sure. I'm a registered nurse, and we are doing cholesterol screening and finger stick blood sugar screening. We're outreaching to the community mainly here in Fremont, and most of our population is all East Indian. However, we're open to everybody. We're getting screening done for cholesterol, and usually they start around the age of 21. However, most of the generation right now is the elderly, and we're outreaching to them. We're telling them about the normal values, the abnormal values, teaching them about their nutrition, checking their blood sugars, getting them all that education that they need to prevent other diseases that come along.
So what have you experienced here with the festival and the health fair? Do you think a lot of people, they get a lot of benefit? And what type of crowd are you trying to attract for next year?
Well, this is my second year, and my first year was last year, and it was a different type of crowd. It was mostly all the elderly generation, above 60, and they needed a lot of resources. This year, it's a mix. I actually see more younger people out here, and they're getting screened, and so that makes me happy. And it's mostly a lot of people don't have insurance, and they're in the need of resources. So we have Tri-City Clinic here as well, and they're providing some resources and other community places. So next year I hope to see some of the same mix, but us doing even more. So every year we want to keep continuing even more areas that we need to focus on. So we've got all the specialties here. We've got cardiology, we've got pulmonary, we've been doing cancer screening alongside with all the screenings.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for the good work that you're doing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you got enough information about the Festival India Health Fair. This is very useful for folks out there who do not either have health insurance, health care, have language issues, or are just plain very busy. I hope you come out next year if you didn't come out to this year's event, and let's see what's going on at the rest of the Mela. This is Kavita from SitaarreTv.